What is Cyclife? A subsidiary of the EDF Group, 3 industrial sites across Europe, engineering and 3D simulation centers, more than 700 employees. As the European leader of radioactive waste management and nuclear decommissioning, Cyclife creates innovative solutions, keeps safety and security as overriding priorities, is supporting a responsible and sustainable nuclear industry. Nuclear industry stakeholders are facing technical challenges in the light of a predictable increase in the volumes of radioactive waste. In order to face up these present and future challenges, Cyclife is committed towards its customers and employees, defining excellence, innovation, and performance as the heart of its ambition as a responsible company. Expert company, Cyclife benefits from highly skilled teams across Europe. Cyclife is the pilot of the most complex decommissioning operations, mastering risks and costs to create value. All across the world, Cyclife is offering a customer-specific waste-led decommissioning approach, with its facilities in France, in the United Kingdom, and in Sweden, and engineering expertise with dedicated subsidiaries: Cyclife Engineering, Cyclife Digital Solutions, Graphitech. Thanks to its pool of know-how, Cyclife is helping the EDF Group to manage the life cycle of nuclear facilities in a responsible manner so as to conserve resources for future generations. In addition to its industrial activities in radioactive waste treatment, Cyclife also provides specialized services for the decommissioning of nuclear facilities, drawing on a multitude of engineering skills and mobilizing EDF Group resources. Based in Lyon, Cyclife Engineering delivers project engineering and design engineering to support the decommissioning and dismantling of nuclear equipment at the international level, but also in France, for pressurized water technology. Growing steadily since its creation in 2019, Cyclife Engineering supports the EDF Group's international growth in the decommissioning market for nuclear facilities and other reactor technology requiring detailed high-value-added engineering solutions. Cyclife Engineering has extensive experience in the dismantling of large components, as well as in the design and delivery of new radioactive waste treatment sites or the modification of existing sites. Based in Gare, Cyclife Digital Solutions is the subsidiary dedicated to digital innovations supporting the nuclear industry across the entire life cycle of facilities. For the last 10 years, Cyclife Digital Solutions has been developing and offering tools to simulate and evaluate operations in industrial and nuclear environments throughout the life cycle of a facility, thanks to 3D in real time. Cyclife Digital Solutions has developed the software DEM Plus for nuclear, which has won several industry awards. This decision-making tool simulates scenarios for operations and defines outcomes such as costs, timelines, waste products, and dosimetry. Based on these outcomes, the customer can seek to optimize the initial scenario or establish alternative strategies. Based in Lyon and created in 2019 by EDF and Veolia, Graphitech is a subsidiary committed to the decommissioning of reactors that use graphite technology. Graphitech designs specialized machines and remote intervention platforms to facilitate the decommissioning of graphite-moderated nuclear facilities. Graphitech is currently developing the technology and optimal scenario for the decommissioning of the French reactor Chinon A2 by 2028. Graphitech aims to meet the decommissioning needs of the 60 or so graphite-moderated reactors in the world, located in France, the United Kingdom, Spain, Italy, Lithuania, and Japan. Thanks to its expertise and to the resources of the EDF Group, Cyclife has established itself as the European leader in the management of radioactive waste and the decommissioning of nuclear facilities. Cyclife is the guarantee of a commitment on responsible practice, safety of the assets, security of the people, protection of the environment. Cyclife entities are certified ISO 9001, ISO 14001, and ISO 45001 or OHSAS 18001.